Hidden wheelchair lift, installation effect and operation. Control with remote control. Remote control handle function introduction. Green indicates a valid button. When using a hidden lift, the first step is to long press the right button. Extend the lift from under the vehicle. The platform surface has anti-slip stickers to prevent the wheelchair from sliding. When the right button does not respond, release the button. The up and down keys will turn green. Use the down button to lower to the ground. The anti-tilt baffle automatically extends. The button does not respond when reaching the ground. After releasing the handle, the left and up buttons turn green. Push your family onto the platform. For safety reasons, apply the handbrake to prevent the wheelchair from sliding accidentally. Press and hold the up button to raise it to the level with the carriage. Anti-tilt baffle closes automatically. Super strong load-bearing capacity of 600 caddies. After reaching the horizontal position, the up key does not respond. The left and down buttons of the controller turn green. Open the wheelchair handbrake and push the family into the car. Finally, use the left button of the handle to retract the platform to the bottom of the car. This saves space in the car. Door interlock. The remote control handle becomes unusable immediately after closing the door. After opening the door, the remote control handle will resume operation. When you want to get off, press and hold the right button of the handle to extend the platform out from the bottom of the car. When the platform is extended to the plane, the right button of the handle does not respond. Release the handle and the up and down buttons will turn green. Family members who use wheelchairs are now in the car. Therefore, you need to press and hold the up button. Raise the platform to the same level as the carriage. When the upper button of the handle does not respond, the left and up buttons on the controller turn green. Move family members who use wheelchairs onto the platform. Put the handbrake on. Press and hold the down button again to lower the platform to the ground. The down button does not respond after reaching the ground. The left and up keys turn green. You can open the handbrake to push your family member who is using a wheelchair away. Finally, press and hold the left button on the handle. The remote control method can also be customized as wireless remote control. When the platform is fully retracted under the vehicle, right-click turns green. At this point, all operations of the hidden lift have been completed, protecting every person with limited mobility and enabling them to travel freely.